Hey everyone! Today I'm making puff pastry pizza rolls. They are fast and simple to make. First I'm grating 2 cups of mozzarella cheese. Open your sheet of puff pastry. You can find them in the freezer section at the grocery store if you aren't familiar with it. They're always great to have on hand in your freezer. Spread 1 cup of pizza sauce, but you don't want too much as it may spill out, and you can always dip them in more sauce. Sprinkle on your cheese and your pepperoni. At this point, you can even bake it like this. It will be delicious. Now roll up tightly until you get to the end. Add 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder to 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Brush this all over the puff pastry. This is optional, but it adds wonderful flavor. Now it's time to portion. I cut mine into 8 pieces, but you can definitely cut them smaller. Keep in mind they puff up a lot. Brush the rest of the olive oil mixture on top of each one. Bake at 350 Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes or until brown like this. You really can't go wrong with puff pastry. The flakiness and the butter flavor work so well here. These are great as an appetizer, side dish, or a main meal. I hope this inspired you to make your own. Thanks for watching! Bye! Like and subscribe, please.